So I was at Magiscroft today because I wanted to see some of the freight trains that were passing. However, some of the freight trains were really weird today. They both didn't have loads. The intermodal that was from Moss End to Grangemouth didn't have a load today. I don't know what was up with it. Then what was even weirder was Warrington to Aberdeen didn't have a load either. So that was a wee bit weird. However, here's the trains. Also, I didn't have an SD card because I completely forgot it. So most of this was shot with the base camera memory. So I can't give you the times of anything, so here's just the trains.
I can't even run to get it.